I know that everyone hates on winter. It's grey and it's cold and it's not cute outside. But what is cute is coming in from the cold to a sanctuary that you've created that feels warm, stylish and inviting. I'm going to show you how to create just that in today's video with some help from my friends at Lorraine Lea. So let's dive right in and make winter your bestie. The bedroom is the easiest place to start, and you've got to layer like you've never layered before. I'm talking at least 8 pillows at the head of the bed for a double or a queen, and even more for a king. Make sure you have some fitted and flat sheets in contrasting colours as well, and don't forget to throw in some quilts and throws throughout the space. You could even bring in an affordable bench seat or an armchair and pop some additional soft furnishings here too. A shag rug under the bed will evoke a ton of warmth as well. I've pushed 2 together here, and as you can see, it feels lovely and cozy. Bathrooms can feel so cold and sterile, which might be okay in summer, but it's terrible to live with in winter. The solution is towels galore, and not just on towel rails, but on the vanity as well. Try stacking some in varying softer shades and sizes to create your own bathroom vignette. And also make sure you introduce warmth underfoot too. And don't be afraid to experiment with texture on walls as well. In winter, keep your living room feeling casual and cozy. Think a thrown together look with loads of faux fur and velvet cushions, throws, tassels, and also thick blankets. Honestly, more really is more. In the colder months, you want a lot of different textures to intermingle, and the easiest way to make that work is to turn down the colour palette and make it neutral. That way, all of your hides and faux furs and velvets can play together, and the whole space feels really cohesive. If you are a colour lover, my best advice is to bring in one tone, but have it in smaller doses like I have here. A Sherpa throw absolutely screams movie night, and when you're not using it, you can drape it on the end of the sofa or fold it up and display it somewhere else in the space. A lamp with a fabric shade is a great idea here as well. It keeps the warm vibes travelling across the room. Now, there's no reason your kitchen and dining room shouldn't get the warm treatment as well, so make sure you inject some colour and decor into these spaces to make both feel a little less clinical. A collection of serving and chopping boards makes for a great vignette on your bench top, while a tablecloth and placemats can transform your dining room from woeful to welcoming. Some cushions on dining chairs are also a great way to finish off the look here too, even if you're not going to use them. So while the weather's raging outside, make your home a winter sanctuary and finally embrace coming in from the cold. And if you want the lowdown on these products and how to style them, you know where to go, the Lorraine Lea website at lorrainelea.com.